Let me show you how to create this hard surface object using the new SDF feature in Uniform. Add a volume box. Increase the size on the Z-axis and decrease it on the Y-axis. Use the plus icon on the top to add a volume cylinder. Hold M2 button and rotate it 90 degrees. Use the yellow dot to increase the length. Hold M2 button again and move the cylinder backward. Increase the blending value and reduce the cylinder size. Increase the box length. Now select the cylinder and open the outliner. Duplicate it, increase the length and scale it down. Move it to the back. Change the blend mode into difference. Reduce the blend value. Duplicate the new cylinder. Rotate it 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Scale it down. Rotate it 90 degrees on the X-axis. Use the M1 button to move the cylinder and scale it down again. We need 3 more cylinders. Duplicate and move them to their position. Now duplicate the volume box, scale it up and move it to the side. Change the blend mode into difference. Slowly move it to the main object. This will give us a clean, sharp cut. Duplicate it and move it to the other side. Now duplicate the first box again and move it to the middle. Scale it up on the X and the Z axis and scale it down on the Y axis. Change the blend mode into difference. Now select the first volume box and use the yellow dot to give it a slightly rounded edge. Select the side boxes and increase the blend values. And to finalize the SDF process, select the object button, then select apply volume group. Select the voxel count and confirm. And now you have one single geomesh.